Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can back up the iPhone directly to your PC or to your laptop. So make sure to connect the iPhone directly with your computer using a USB cable. So once it's connected, it will show up here on my computer. So this one is connected. And so what we have to do next is to use a software. So this one we have to go to Microsoft Store on our computer, or you can just search on top Microsoft Store and it'll come up. Just click on that. And after that, we have to search for this device. It's called as Apple devices. Okay. So Apple devices will help us to back up our iPhone to the computer. And here it's already installed. Before we could use iTunes to back up everything. We also have iCloud, but in this instance from 2026, I guess we can only back up all our data to the computer using Apple devices. So just click install if you don't have it installed. And since I have it installed, I'm just going to open it. And once we are in the software, just make sure that your phone is connected properly. On top your phone model will show up, and then click on general. And once we are in this section, we can choose how we want to back up our iPhone to this computer or to iCloud. So since we are doing backup to this computer, just click the second option here. Make sure your phone is up to date. You can do that by going to the settings and clicking on general, and here you have the option to software update. Just make sure your iOS is up to date, otherwise it will cause problems while backing up. You can also do check here, but for now my phone is up to date, so I'm not going to be doing that. And then we can click directly on backup all the data to this computer. Then we just click on backup, and we'll be able to choose if we want to encrypt the backup or don't encrypt the backup. So for now I'm just choosing don't encrypt the backup. And here they'll ask us a code to enter onto our iPhone if we want to continue with the backup. So we just enter the backup the code, and the backup has started. So for now, I'm not going to be continuing with the backup because it will take up so much space on my computer. So I'm just going to go ahead and stop it. So once the backup is completed, it will show up here. Since I haven't continued the backup, it won't show. But if in case you have completed it, it will show up here. You can click on manage backups and you will be able to restore your iPhone back to how it was before. Okay, so if you, in case you want to know where the backup is stored on your computer, all you have to do is go to my computer, then click on the C drive, and all you have to do is go to the users folder and click on the username that your computer is on right now. Then here you have your folder called Apple. Okay, so the backup is stored over here in this folder. It's better not to open this folder because you won't be able to understand anything. So you can manage the the backup directly from here, and you can restore it if you want. You can delete it. You can do everything in manage backups. I have not yet done it because the file size is probably 250 GB, so I don't want to back up that much into my computer. But if you have a lot of space on your computer, you can go ahead and do that. And that's it, guys. This is how you back up your iPhone to the computer. So if you found this video informative, you can like this video and also subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more content. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.